Welcome. In front of me I have Garmin Epix Pro Gen 2 and I'm gonna show you how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the up/menu button. Once the menu opens, you can scroll through it by swiping on the screen or by using the up and down buttons. Scroll through the menu and find the option called the connectivity. Once you find it, select it by tapping on it or by pressing the start button. Here find the Wi-Fi option and select it. Then scroll down, find the option called My Networks and select it. And here we have the list of networks our watch is connected to, and we have 2 of them, as you can see. And if you want to disconnect from the network, tap on it, scroll down, select remove and select yes. And the network will disappear, which indicates that it was removed and disconnected from. And once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.